Hello, viewers. Welcome to our channel, The Forex Trends. And I hope you all are doing well. And I am also good. Today, in this video, I am going to analyze gold, that is XAUUSD. And I will try to find the potential trade setups for today as well as tomorrow. And I will discuss some fundamental stuff in this video. And what is the current market sentiment in respect of fundamental things. So let's get started. Let me show you the economic calendar first. Okay. Before start talking on the newses, upcoming newses, you need to know one thing. In the market for the past 2 days, there has been significant news that Joe Biden, who is current president, has stepped aside from the upcoming presidential election. This has strengthened speculation that Donald Trump may again become the American president in the next upcoming election. So, Biden's withdrawal from the upcoming US presidential election has sent shock waves through the market. Most asset classes are holding steady as investors digest the event. And the dollar remains poised at its high from last Friday. And the expectation is that after Trump comes into power, the dollar will become even stronger. And another important factor to note is that gold has been in a bullish momentum for a couple of months due to growing expectation of a rate cut. And this sentiment has already been priced into the gold market. So there is a possibility that gold might see some more correction in this week as well as next week. So, and if we look the economic calendar, yesterday there was no any high impact news of US, but today also there is no any very high impact news, but there is a news of existing home sales and Richmond manufacturing index, and which will which is scheduled at 7:30 p.m. IST, and it may provide some volatility in the market at the time of release of news. So be careful on that time. And there is no more high impact news for today. So let's look the technical of gold. This is a 4-hour chart in front of us. Before start with 4-hour frame, let me check the daily frame once. Okay, in daily chart, you can see gold has took support from 2400 to 2391 level, and it is a good support as per 4-hour frame. And gold has tried multiple times to break this support and fail every time. Buyers are comes below this price and took control from seller. So until market break this support, we will not initiate any sale on gold. Okay, so let's look the 4-hour frame. It is the 4-hour frame in front of us. As I already discussed, as per the market structure, you can see market is still bullish in 4 hour frame. And whenever market creating this kind of structure and create break of structure like this, we have two point of interest to join this current bullish trend. So our first point of interest is there to join the bullish trend bullish trend as per the 4 hour structure. But price break this first point of interest with momentum candles and approaches to the second point of interest, and second point of interest is there, that is 23912 to 2398 level, and market took support at this support level. And if you can see, there is a doji candle. It means market, if break the last high of this doji candle, we may see a bullishness in the market once again up to this level. So I have already initiated a buy from here, because this is our second point of interest to join this current bullish trend, and this trade is still going on. Look, this trade is still going on, and it uh, good profit showing here. And now I have to set my stop loss to break even. Okay. So as per 4 hour structure, if I mark the internal structure in 4 hour, let me delete the external structure first. This was our external structure. Find one thing. This is our internal structure, and market clearly create 5 waves again the existing external structure, and this internal structure create 5 waves. That means it shows a clear sign of weakness in the gold. So we may look for selling opportunities in gold for the upcoming weeks until market break this resistance, that is 2407 to 2411. If market able to close 2 consecutive candles above this resistance, we will shift our biasness from bearish to bullish once again. So until market trade below this resistance, we may try to find the opportunities for selling on gold. Okay. So for selling, this is our first sale setup, that is 2407 to 2411. Okay. If we get the price at this level, we may initiate a sale for today as well as tomorrow. I have initiated a buy because this was a good support and strong enough. That's why I've initiated buy, but I will book my all profit at this level today and try to find the sale from this level on today. So let's check the 1 hour frame for scalping and intraday purposes. Let me delete first the drawing of 4 hour frame. In 1 hour frame, market has create a change of character here, and after create change of character, let me show you how market create this change of character. If I mark the previous structure, bullish structure, you can see it was bullish here, and there was a last lower high and last support as per 1 hour frame, and market break this last support. Whenever market shift this kind of direction, it form a change of character here. Okay, after creating forming change of character. Market need to retest the zone once again and come down. Exactly this. After creating change of character, market retest the zone and come down. So it is also a bearish sign in 1 hour frame. So for today, the market structure is now bearish in 1 hour frame. If I mark the structure in 1 hour frame, lower low, then lower high, lower low, then lower high, then again another lower low. So this is our point of interest to join the bearish trend, and in our 1 hour frame, also in our 4 hour frame. So this price is a good price to initiate sell today. If we get the price at 2407 to 2411 level, we may initiate a sell from here. Okay. And another thing, if price able to break this resistance with momentum candles or full bodied candles, we may initiate a buy after breakout and retest this level like this. Okay, this is our second trade setup. And if market able to break this last lower low like this, we may initiate a sell after retest like this. So this is our third trade setup for today. So our last support at this moment is 23852 to 2387. 2385 to 87. Do not initiate any buy at this level because there is a selling momentum. So wait for the breakout of this level. If market able to break this level, you may initiate a sell after retest. So this three trade setup for intraday. All right, my dear viewers, that wraps up today's analysis of gold. If you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe button. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest content, tips, and strategies. That's really help you to trade smarter and more profitably in the Forex market. So, my dear viewers, thanks for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. Until then, trade smartly, trade safely, and bye bye, guys.